How did life get so complicated all of a sudden? It's time to take control of your life. When your life gets way too complicated, you need to do this. Have you got too much to do? This can be the reason. Maybe you don't know how to say no, and so you end up amassing obligations. Or you may be too unrealistic about the time various tasks take. The solution is to think about what you're taking on. Do a time audit for a couple of days and see how you really spend your time. If you're asked to do something and you outright don't want to do it, if saying no is difficult, just say you'll think about it. You can either say no or add your conditions to make the task more feasible. Got a backlog of things to do? A sure sign of this is that your home and desk is a junkyard. If you procrastinate about things and they build up, the solution is to streamline your life. Become ruthless about getting rid of unnecessary items. Procrastination can be a sign that we're not enjoying the job. We're less likely to procrastinate about doing things we enjoy. So do more of what you like doing. Delegate or hire if you need to. Get somebody to help you with the task. Do you have a hard time making decisions? When you delay decisions, the problems take on a life of their own and become even bigger. Your decision-making ability needs work if problems are keeping you awake at night, or if you are trying to please everyone. The solution is to take action, no matter how small, and you'll make future choices less painful. And don't worry about making a wrong decision. If worse comes to worse, you'll learn from your mistakes. But chances are that if you take action more often, you will instinctively become better at making decisions. Are you in a financial mess? Well, money or the lack of it is often the root of complications and dissent. You know you need to act if you would rather not open your bank or credit card statements, or if you often worry about how your finances are going to work out, or if you're a binge spender, believing that tomorrow will take care of itself. The solution is to get on top of the problem once and for all. Make a finite list of your expenses and your income and see where the shortfalls happen. If necessary, refinance your debts and start afresh. Make a payment schedule and stick to it while you're cutting back on your spending. Do you have a tendency to invite complications or disasters? Have you noticed how some people seem to invite trouble? Symptoms are a tendency to see things in a gloomy or negative way, or avoiding taking action instead of dealing with the root cause of the problem, which only leads to the problem worsening and other problems developing. The solution is to lighten up. A problem is just a challenge, and there will always be some kind of solution of some sort, even if it's not ideal. By worrying, you don't actually resolve it. Poor communication? You see, I've discovered that good communication is an art, and complications often happen when it's not applied. Signs of communication problems are jumping in with both feet and assuming that others see situations in the same way as you do, and not getting the results you'd like from many situations. Try to listen to other people first and get their viewpoint before letting them know what your needs are. It helps if you can always be truthful about your viewpoint and avoid creating a stance for yourself that's difficult to retreat from. I've used all of this advice myself to fix my own mess, my own life. So if I can work it out for me, then you can work it out for you. Try it. You have nothing to lose. Like, subscribe, think for yourself. This is a Mirror Logic channel.